Welcome back to Auto Street, where we bring you up close and personal with the latest and greatest in the automotive world, and today's a special ride. We're diving into the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Class C lineup, exploring what's new, what's fresh, and what might just be your next road tripping companion. 2026 brings some slick updates across several Thor Class C models like the 4 Winds, Chateau, Quantum, and Echelon E-Spec versions. Inside, you're greeted with a more residential vibe, modern cabinet doors, upgraded drawer hardware, and two-tone color schemes that instantly elevate the feel. Visually, the exterior also steps up its game with enhanced partial paint packages and optional full-body paint for that standout curb appeal. There's a brand new 28G floor plan available in the 4 Winds and Chateau E-Spec models. Under 30 feet, it manages to fuse space and layout smartly. A walk-around queen bed up front, a split shower for better bathroom flow, and versatile seating via a dream dinette plus a jackknife sofa to kick back on. That's a really solid option for folks who want comfort without handling a behemoth RV. If you're an explorer off the beaten path, the AWD models like Compass AWD and Gemini AWD now include an expansion solar port, letting you plug in portable solar panels, great if you're tucked away under shade or far from the grid. The Mercedes-Benz-based Tiburon and Delano models gain good-to-see upgrades too: expandable solar ports, standard hydraulic leveling jacks, rear ladder receivers, and optional blind spot detection with both audible and visual alerts for safer highway cruising. Now, these Class C RV models come with some starting MSRP numbers that help frame value. The 4 Winds and Chateau start around $121,940, the Quantum about $122,220, and Echelon in Canada about the same. Stepping into the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter variants like the Quantum, 4 Winds, Chateau Sprinter versions, you're looking at higher trims. Quantum Sprinter clocks in at around $185,780. If you're leaning toward compact, check out the 4 Winds E-Spec 19Z. At only 20 feet 5 inches long, it's one of the smallest Class C motorhomes out there. Pricing can be compelling. Some listings show sale prices around $77,995, a significant drop from MSRP, which ranged near $116,000 to $126,000. This model packs smart features too: a U-shaped dinette converting into a bed, a wet bath, flip-up countertop, cab TV swivel, 11-foot power awning, and a solid build with aluminum frame and fiberglass front cap. Under the hood, most of these are built on a dependable Ford E-Series chassis, powered by a 7.3 LV8, delivering around 325 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque, capable and balanced for long hauls. Higher-end models like Omni Trail or Magnitude Grand step into Super C territory, with 4x4 and turbo diesel platforms, but we'll stick to the Class C gas lineup for today. Performance-wise, the addition of SmoothTech ride enhancement in models like Quantum delivers noticeably smoother travel across different road surfaces, something that raises the comfort bar, especially when you're covering long miles. Inside, everything feels modern and thoughtful: contemporary wardrobes, residential finishes, efficient layouts that make smaller footprints feel roomy. For example, the Quantum LC21 is compact yet packs a rear corner queen bed, full kitchen, and a convertible dinette, all built with modern designs and onboard power like 4 kilowatts generator and solar charging options. But I want to keep it real. On communities like Reddit, some owners raise quality control concerns about Thor RVs. One user bluntly stated, "Avoid Thor. Huge quality control issues. You will be the beta tester and it will be in the shop for the first 2 years." Another chimed in, "Thor products are pretty bad, built too quickly with poor QC and cheap materials. Warranty department is a nightmare." Worth noting is you weigh enthusiasm with realism. So if I were writing the script from the perspective of the channel, you would start by walking your viewers through the fresh updates, touch on the interior elegance, exterior aesthetics, floor plan innovations. Bring in the compact 19Z as a call-out for city-friendly or solo travelers. Talk about power, performance, ride comfort, mention chassis, engine, SmoothTech, AWD solar flexibility. Highlight MSRP versus sale price to give perspective on value. Then close with a balanced note, acknowledge some known owner concerns while inviting your own testing or dealer tour eventually. That landing voice, friendly, insightful, down-to-earth, is what gives Auto Street its vibe. This script should clock in near 900 words. Feel free to personalize it, add anecdotes, on-camera energy, or tease a deep dive in future episodes. If you'd like help tightening sections or injecting that signature auto street flare in phrasing, or even drafting your next segment, just say the word.